so welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing this crystal slime glue and slime kit pack. And you can see it have a slime glue over here, it have slime activator, it have a tool to mix with, glitter container, and a foam glue. So let's get unboxed. First we're going to be opening the package. We got slime activator, slime glue, a tool to mix with, glitter, a container, and clay. So let's get started and make our slime. For making slime, we're going to be taking, I'm not using this one because I'm just trying a little bit small slime. So I'm using my own bowl for this, and it doesn't have any color but it have glitter. So I'm going to be adding my food coloring. Okay, so first we're going to be pouring our slime glue inside the mixture here, and we're going to be pouring the glue inside it. I think this is all right. Okay, now we're going to be pouring our food coloring. I think this is all right, and now we're going to be stirring the mixture until it quickly dissolved all the red mixture in it. I think it's really good. So now we're going to be taking our slime activator and we're going to be pouring it with the cap of few drops. It's just turning into a slime, you can see. See guys, it's turning into a cute and good and gooey slime. See? So just we're going to be doing is mix the slime and add some more activator. This glue is scented and I love the scent. It smells so good. The texture is like slime. So guys, after this you can see our slime is super soft and scratchy and really cool, and after mixing too much it was like amazing slime rather than playing with slime. I love making slime because it's really cool and I love while mixing. It's like a crystal clay and slime was like a galaxy slime. And see, it's really nice and it's having amazing pooks. So I love this slime very much. It was very nice and cool even when you play with it. So guys, if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press on the bell icon for more amazing videos. See you next time. Goodbye.